See, listen, understand. What you call honeymoon, moon is there, honey is there, but where is the bliss? Bliss is missing because consciousness is missing. Marriage is not between two people, it is between two karmas. One karma says, I want control. Another karma says, I want Instagram. எந்த மேரேஜில் போஸ்ட்மார்ட்டம் நடக்குதோ அதை நான் போஸ்ட் மாடர்ன் ரிலேஷன்ஷிப்னு சொல்கிறேன். Now suddenly on honeymoon, which should be honey and moon, it becomes Agni and Maranam. You are asking me, Swamiji, why honeymoon murder? Ha, beautiful question. Because suppression is the root of aggression. When the man tries to be hero without understanding Devi's mood, and Devi tries to be TikTok Devi in Himalayas, boom, emotional explosion. I saw psychically, yes, third eye vision. That girl was possessed by the ghost of Bollywood serials. She thought, I will kill, I will kill, I will cry, I will act. And the boy, he thought honeymoon is Maldives but ended in Yamapuri. I tell you, relationship should not be two bodies clashing like tectonic plates. It should be cosmic union, Shiva Shakti becoming Ardhanarishwara. So, don't do honeymoon before inner awakening. Attend 21-day Sivoham program first, then do moon with honey. Otherwise, you do jail with lawyer. Be blissful, be blissful, be blissful.